Hey everybody, today we are making some cocoyam porridge, also known as Mpihono, and you will need cocoyam, palm oil, some tomato paste, a cube of your choice, and momone known as stinky fish. You also need your tomato, pepper, onion. Now let's make our porridge.
Look for me. Damn, I want the line. Always in the north side.
First, you're going to peel your cocoyams and make sure you chop them into cubes. You're going to wash them clean, and then you put water in a saucepan, put it on fire, and pour in your cocoyams. Stir it right in. Now we are going to be adding our salt, add in as much as you would need. Give it time to boil. Make sure that it is fully cooked. We need it to be really cooked so that we can mash it at the end of the day. We are not trying to cook it halfway. We are trying to fully cook the cocoyam. Now that that is done, we are going to add in our momone, also known as our stinky fish. I'm adding it in first because I want it to really cook and mix with the cocoyam. Now I'm adding in my blended pepper, onion, and tomatoes. Pour it in and leave it to cook for a while. Now I'm going to add in my tomato paste. Stir it in. Right, take your time, and then you are going to leave it to cook. As you realize, our liquid is becoming thick. Now that that is done, we are going to mash our potatoes. Use the back of your ladle and mash it. You can also remove it and then mash it in an earthenware bowl and pour it back in, especially if you are making it for kids. Take your time and do this properly. I like to see some chunks in my Mpihono, so I do not mash all of the cocoyam. I leave some. Alright, so still doing that. Now we are going to add in our final ingredient, which is our palm oil. So we are going to pour in our palm oil and mix it in. Alright, so this is our Mpihono, also known as our cocoyam porridge. I hope this video was helpful. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Thank you so much, and bye.